Next question. I previously asked about this, and while you passed on, I'm wondering if using the exact same subdomain, matching our brand name across all Web2 properties could raise any red flags. No, that's what you want to do, right? You want that to be associated. This is, Huzaifa, just to be clear, when you're using a bunch of external assets that are non-branded assets, that can cause a red flag if you're not careful. But when you're building branded assets, I want the branding to be consistent, the subdomain to be consistent if possible. Sometimes it's not going to be, but I want that to be consistent, right? We're not trying to hide the fact that those are all connected properties to the brand. They're brand extensions. And if they're brand extensions, there's no reason to hide it, right? You want Google to know that they're brand extensions because it's validating, supporting evidence, corroborating evidence about that particular branded location, right? So no, we absolutely always try to use the same username, subdomain, etc., for all the properties that we create as part of that branded network. Okay. So hopefully that's clear.